Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Wednesday 15 May 2024. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 2, number 3, number 14, number 19, number 27, number 28. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 2, number 3, number 14, number 19, number 27, number 28. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 4, number 16, number 27, number 36, number 32, number 33. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 4, number 16, number 36, number 28, number 32, number 33. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 22 or number 31. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 22 and number 31. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Wednesday 15 May 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers. Number 17, number 21, number 34, number 37, number 39, number 40. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 17, number 21, number 34, number 37, number 39, number 40. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 11, number 13, number 31, number 35, number 48. Today tea time second prediction number repeat number 1, number 11, number 13, number 31, number 35, number 48. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 22 and number 36. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat number 22 and number 36. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel.